I am so much a work in progress, as I always say, and have for years. The very first thing you see in my little description at the very bottom or underneath my videos is I'm 79, it's a process. And when you're an aging woman, I've found that it really is a process. And many of you know that late in life, well, just months ago, I became obsessed with the white cotton shirt. Go figure. And I am so excited to show you a new white button-down cotton shirt that I think you're gonna like. You saw this as an outfit of the day video, and I am excited to tell you that I've partnered with Walmart. This shirt, my jean leggings, my patti bling bling shoes, my crossover bag, everything I'm wearing, well, they're just new arrivals from some of the top brands at Walmart. And by the way, I will have everything linked in the description box before so that you can go straight to walmart.com and find everything easily, because not everything that I show you from Walmart can be found in the stores. A lot of it can. Different stores carry different things, but it's always a sure bet that you probably have a pretty good chance of getting it if you go to walmart.com, the links that I list for you. So they're there. And let's just do the outfit of the day first. And let me tell you that some of the new arrivals at Walmart are Free Assembly, Madden NYC, BCBG, Paris. I mean, think about this. Terra and Sky, and there are just many more that you can find for sure. It's just mind-boggling that I can purchase my entire wardrobe from Walmart and be as trendy as the next older woman at an unbeatable value. So let's just start with this white button-down shirt that I'm wearing. This shirt is Free Assembly. $24 for this white button-down. It's 100% cotton. I will tell you that when I took it out of the bag, of course it was folded in the plastic bag when I received it, and it had some wrinkles, not terribly wrinkled. I could have steamed them out, but because I'm an ironer, I did just hit it with a medium heat iron, and it took all of the wrinkles out immediately. Those of you who have been watching my videos for a while know that I have found some white shirts that I liked, but they were more fitted, more tailored to my body. This is a boxy fit, which I have been looking for. And it has slits on both sides, which is always good for those of us who maybe are a little bit wider. We need a little bit extra room. I will tell you that I purchased this top in a large. I think I could have worn a medium, but then I'm sort of defeating my purpose of having it a little bit more boxy and maybe a little bit more roomy, not fitting quite so close to my body. It's long sleeved with a button cuff, and it's actually a long button cuff. And you can wear it that way, long sleeved if you want to, or you can roll the sleeves up the way I've rolled them up. I actually prefer them rolled up. I love this shirt. I will wear this shirt a lot. I love the style of the shirt. I love the comfort of the shirt. I love the way the shirt feels on my body, and I know it'll be easy to take care of. Oh, and I love the fact that you can Elvis the collar, and look, it stays up. It stays up. Yes, love it, love it, love it. The next thing that I ordered, and I have owned these before. As a matter of fact, they are still in my leggings drawer. They are one of my staples when the weather turns cooler and I want to wear longer pants or longer leggings. And they are my good old favorite Time and True women's high-rise jeggings. Now these are jeggings. I'm in black soot and dark denim. I ordered these in dark denim. When I tell you I wear these to death, I wear them to death. I knew I was going to have to get some new ones because I had just worn the ones from, I think I'd had them 2 years out this last year. I knew they had to be replaced. Here's the neat thing about these. You get 2 pair for $25.96. 2 pair. I'm pretty sure when I've bought these in the past, I was buying just 1 pair. But this is 2 for $25.96. I will wear these all winter long. Now, I'm a little bit short, 5'3" on a good day. And, you know, that sort of puts me in the middle of a petite or a regular length or stride. And these are just a little bit long on me. What I've done is I've just turned them up, the hem, just turned them up a little bit. And for today to show you, that's just fine. I'll drag my sewing machine out one of these days and I will just do a proper little hem on these leggings, or jeggings, excuse me, just to shorten them up just a little bit. But I absolutely love these, and so many of us use the Time and True brand from Walmart. It's just been around for a long time, and it's one of those brands that we can just depend on. And of course, the value, I think, is unbeatable. Every time I think I have something and it's my favorite, I realize, well, there's something else that can be a real favorite too. And those of you who know me and you've been around for a while, you know how much I love bling. And I have bling on my feet. These are the Madden NYC Women's Rhinestone Lace-Up Performer Sneakers. They're $35. Oh my. Oh my. These shoes really run pretty true to size. I ordered mine in a 7 because I knew I was going to be wearing them this winter, and I thought I would probably be wearing some kind of a little half sock with them so that in case we have some cooler days, and I'm sure we will this winter, if it's anything like last winter. You know, we moved to Florida for not to have really winters, but guess what? We're having winters. A little bit, but it gets cool enough that I am going to want to wear a sock, I'm sure, under these. I have them on today without socks, and they fit just fine, but they will be just fine too when I decide to put a little half sock on with them to keep my little feet warm. As I said, I ordered a 7, and by the way, these are $35, and it looks like they only come in the black with the sparkles. I mean, I know that I'm going to get a ton of wear out of these Madden NYC shoes. Yes, yes, they're Patti shoes, they're Patti shoes, Patti shoes. Did good. The next thing I want to show you something I'm loving. Also, I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it. You didn't see me modeling it, but before the pandemic, you know, we traveled quite a bit, and I'm always on the lookout for a good crossover body bag that I can take with me when we travel. And it's just small enough, but big enough, but secure enough, zippers, pockets, so that I can travel with it and feel safe that whatever I'm carrying is probably going to remain in my possession. So again, this goes back to Time and True, and it's the women's Nora crossbody handbag, and I ordered it in the black. It's actually a pattern, and it is $16.94. It's fabric, and It's faux leather, which is good for me. I'm real happy with that. Those of you who are vegan, I'm sure that you will like that about this bag too. It also comes in red and white. And I know the red is in the same pattern, just red. But it has a pocket with a snap. This is just decoration right here. Then it has a zipper and a zipper pocket, and that goes about halfway down. It would be good for a cell phone. And then it zips across the top. And let me show you the inside. Of course, that goes all the way down. And because it's black in there, you can't see it. But on one side, on the back side, it does have a large zipper pocket. And then it has the shoulder strap to go over across your body. And it is adjustable. So I love this. I will get so much wear out of this. You know, I can show you outfits and cute clothes all day long, but when I can put on something that is a complete outfit that is as trendy as it gets, as I said in the beginning of the video, this aging thing for us older women, it really is a process. We are works in progress. And as we start this journey of truly aging, as I call it, the changes come, they seem to come faster. In our bodies, our health, our hair, our skin, the way we dress, and those are choices for us. We do not have to change anything about anything. That's the beauty of aging. But if we want to tune and tweak and just be the very best that we can be every day, regardless of our age, regardless of our size, regardless of our current circumstances, we can be our best if we want to be. And that's what my channel is all about. That's what RXSTRMOM is all about. Regardless of what life has thrown at us or blessed us with, we can make the best of it. We can make the best. So I want to thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will. I want to thank you for watching. I appreciate you more than you'll ever know. How in the world could you not know that? And oh, by the way, there's going to be a couple of videos that are going to pop up when I say goodbye. So just click on one of those, especially if you're new. It'll give you some more insight into what RXSTRMOM channel is all about. Don't forget to go out and be kind. Be kind to yourself so that you can be kind to others. Know that I love you. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.